Okay, this is an actual extra video. When I was making my first video, I got a little bit stuck on number 22 as far as how to explain it to you algebraically, so I told you the graphing way. I went and played around, and now I've got the algebraic way, and I just wanted to show you that without remaking the entire video. So we had that rabbits was equal to 12e to the 0.05t. We had that foxes were 30e to the 0.03t, and we were to set those equal. Alright, now I didn't say it required an algebra solution, but if you don't remember that trick in your calculator to show the tenths, you'd probably be stuck that way as well. Alright, so we've always told you that in order to solve for a variable that's an exponent, you have to isolate the term with that variable exponent, and that's where I was running into some trouble and had a little bit of a mental block. So the only way I'm going to get the e's together, subtracting is not going to help because they're not like terms, and therefore I'd still have two e's, they'd just be on the same side of the equation. But what I can do here is divide both sides by 0.03t. And then what that does for me is that I am now dividing stuff with like bases, and by the exponent rules I can subtract the exponents. So if I take 0.05t minus 0.03t, I get 0.02t. And then I still have the 20 and the 30 over here because those cancel out. Well, now to isolate the e term, I can divide by 20. So I have e to the 0.02t equals 3/2. And now because the base is e, I can do an ln to both sides, which will bring that exponent down in front. 0.02t ln e is equal to ln 3/2. And remember, ln e has a value of 1, so we're just going to put the 1 there. Dividing by 1 doesn't change anything, so I'm just going to ignore him. Divide both sides by 0.02. And when you type in ln of 3/2 divided by 0.02 in your calculator and round it to the nearest tenth, you get 20.3.